We're going.
Okay. What am I supposed to answer?
Just start for a sec.
Ow, my hair.
But more like, can I see it for a sec? More like, cover up. More like
Do you want some candy? You're not supposed to react. Daniel, stop reacting. Okay. I forgot what I was saying. What's the other half of it? Okay.
It's gonna show me the shot! It's come near!
Very creaky door.
Try again. Like all other things.
I have an idea. If I can make it... Here, are you on the frame?
Yeah.
Are you on the frame still?
Yep, your dad's in it, but...
How do I make it? That works, okay.
Alright.
Because of reasons. Okay.
Alright, go.
I couldn't open the door. Let's just skip that part, because I can't.
No, you have to say.
Okay.
That's it. Oh no.
Okay, let's try again.
Okay, go.
But mostly, you have me in the...
Yes, Professor Hodgins here. Regarding the question of the Unisys, it doesn't exist. I believe it was simply a big fur ball from a cat.